Get ready to be amazed because this is officially taking over the internet. Wait, do not swipe away just yet. If you highly value smart solutions, you already know that it feels incredibly high quality. It is crafted specifically to make your life much smoother. What makes C so unique compared to ordinary items is that it cuts down your daily stress significantly. No more wasting your hard-earned cash on things that break after 2 days. This piece is built tough, highly efficient, and super simple to operate. It is clearly P for anyone trying to upgrade their current setup. Demand is extremely high for this right now. Make sure you don't miss this opportunity right this second. Get ready to be amazed because this is officially taking over the internet.